Assalamu alaikum and very good day. My name is Dr. Javed Iqbal. Welcome to my new video on Big Data Analytics. This video is part of my Big Data Analytics lecture series. Big Data Analytics is considered an important course in computer science and data science domain. As big data is an application of data science, big data process uses different kinds of techniques from data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Hadoop, etc. The focus of this course is to introduce you basic and advanced concepts of big data analytics. What are the popular frameworks in big data analytics such as Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, and the whole ecosystem of Hadoop ecosystem. Finally, I will give you hands-on experience of working on these two frameworks to solve various kinds of big data related problems. Under this big data analytics course, I usually follow these two books. The title of the first book is Data Science and Big Data Analytics: Discovering, Analyzing, Visualizing, and Presenting Data. It is published by EMC Education Service. The next book is Mining of Massive Data Sets. These two books can be downloaded from the internet. These two books can be useful in understanding some fundamental concepts under big data analytics. Apart from these books, several other sources from the internet, blogs, and search papers can be explored. As big data is relatively a new topic, so there is no fixed syllabus. Different universities, different instructors follow different course contents. The objective of all the course is to analyze and process big data. This slide shows the motivation behind big data analytics. The major motivation behind big data analytics is how to manage very large amount of data. Our data is considered large if its volume is very high. The huge data may be in petabytes or exabytes. The next motivation is how to analyze, extract value, and insightful knowledge from data. And thus, big data analytics analyze huge volume of data and get meaningful insights from the data. And those insights can be used for intelligent decision making. Two popular alternatives of big data analytics are large scale data management, data science, and analytics. This slide introduces data and what are its types. As we know that data is a collection of facts. The facts may be numbers, words, measurements, or any other observations that may be taken from different experiments, or just it may be a descriptions of things. So data all around us. Every day, a lot of data is being collected and warehoused. The data may be in the form of image data, text data, weblogs or web data, e-commerce data. The relational data may be stored in tables or legacy data systems and softwares. The data may be about financial transactions. It includes banks and credit transactions. The collected data may be about online trading and purchasing, social networks data, and streaming data. Apart from these, there may be other type of data that is being gathered regularly on daily basis. This slide shows the evolution of data in terms of volume and variety. The literature shows that the size or the volume of the data is increased from megabyte to gigabyte or even from gigabyte to terabyte. And for larger organizations, the data may be exabytes or petabytes and it may grow from zettabyte to yottabyte. The major factor that contribute most in big data is the volume of the data. As the volume is increasing constantly, the next factor is a variety of data. We may have a structured data or unstructured data or semi-structured data. Structured data may be in the form of tables or relations, while unstructured data may be in the form of audio, video, messages, text, and so on. So these are the two major factors that contribute most in big data analytics. This slide shows the evolution of data. The literature shows that from the available data, only 10% of the data is structured data, while 90% is the unstructured data, which may be like emails, videos, Facebook posts, etc. As you can see from this figure, the structured data mostly comprises of ERP, enterprise resource planning related data, or customer relationship management data. This type of data falls under structured data. The size of this data may be in megabytes or gigabytes, while the unstructured or semi-structured data may be in the form of terabyte to petabyte. Data under this category may be from the web data, or there are other several sources that are contributing to the big data. The ERP data may include purchase detail, purchase record, or payment record, and CRM data may include segmentation of the customers, offers details that are provided to the customer, and support contact. While the web data may be comprises of web logs, offer history, some kind of testing for some product, and dynamic pricing. The big data may be taken from sensors, RFID devices, sentiment, user generated content, speech to text, SMS, MMS, mobile web, audio, video data. One more thing that I want to mention here, that about 90% of the data is being gathered in the last 1 to 2 years under big data. This slide shows what is big data analytics. Big data analytics is the process that finds patterns, trends, and relationships in massive data sets that cannot be discovered with traditional data management techniques and tools. And other definition is use of advanced analytics techniques against very large diverse data sets that include structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data from different sources and in different sizes from terabyte to zettabyte. We can say that the major objective of the big data analytics is to process huge volume of data, find patterns, trends, or relationship in the available data. The big data analytics can be very helpful in intelligent decision making. Next few slides will show how big data is evolved. The first reason is the evolution of technology, as we are moved from traditional telephones to smartphones, from desktop systems to cloud systems, from manual cars to driverless or smart cars. So this evolution of technology in different domains have contributed a lot for gathering of the big data. The next is the Internet of Things. Internet of Things is also contributed a lot in the gathering of the big data. As you can see from this slide, that almost every devices or component around us can be connected to the internet through Internet of Things, and those components are generating data continuously 24 by 7 day a week. And one more important thing is that the evolution through IoT is still going on. Every day, new and new devices are being connected to the internet through IoT. Another factor that contributed most to the big data is the social media. There are different social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, several email systems, Instagrams, TikTok, and so on. All these are also contributing to the gathering of the big data. The contribution of social media is also very high in gathering big data. There are several other factors apart from these, such as retail, insurance, transportation, government, education, healthcare, banking and finance, multimedia, and entertainment. All these are also contributing to the gathering of the big data. This slide shows who's generating big data. The first one is the social media and networks. All the social media are generating huge volume, variety, and velocity of data. Similarly, several scientific instruments, those are collecting and storing data 24 by 7. Mobile devices also contributing a lot and gathering data at all the time. And other factor is the sensor technology and networks. The sensor technology and networks also measures and collect different type of data at regular intervals. So we can say that mainly users, systems, sensors, and applications are generating the big data. This slide shows per minute statistics of growth in the data. The data is taken from the Domo Incorporated. This data shows that after COVID, lot of things have been changed. This slide shows that after COVID-19 outbreak, the growth of the data increased a lot. For example, we can see that YouTube generate 694K hours of video after every minute. Similarly, we can see the statistics of Facebook in terms of photos and views. 240K photo uploads and 44 million views per minute. Similarly, for Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and from other sources, you can see that how much data is being gathered and generated after every minute. One more thing that I want to mention here, that these statistics are not recent. These statistics are taken in year 2020-21. I would like to mention again that most of the gathered data is being collected in last 1 to 2 years. In this video, I have given you an overview of what is big data analytics, what are the major sources or factors that contribute in the gathering of the big data. I also have shown you growth of big data. In my next video, I will share you different ways of big data analytics. For more informative videos, please keep watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.